Hey, good day everybody. I hope you're having a great one. Today we're going to do brick samples. Now who would have thought brick samples? But look at them. They're pretty good. They're nice little thin slices on these nice boards. It is sometimes, I have to say, a little difficult in getting the bricks off of the boards to do anything with them. I have actually soaked them in big plastic tubs of water to loosen this paper that I can get these bricks off of here. Now you say, what in the world is she going to do with a brick sample? Look at this. Well, I don't really have anything here to show you that I did because I've given them all away. Yep, what I did was sort of like the hide a rock, except I did find a brick. So the thing that's so cool about the brick samples is because they are so thin that you can leave them just about anywhere. I have even left them on the stripe in a parking lot. So if someone pulls in and they run over it, it's no big deal. But then when they get out of their car, they have a nice little sediment, inspire. You never know. So anyhow, that was a lot of fun. And what I used on my bricks after I did gesso, of course, and then I painted them. I just used Speedball. It's a black ink. It's kind of like a pigmented acrylic ink. And just very, very fine little brushes. And it was actually, I am no artist when it comes to writing, but it felt so good to write with that ink. Anyway, one more thing before I go. When I went to Maryland, I took some brick sample boards with me to see if anyone wanted any of them. And one lady there at the Maryland Art Retreat, her name is Donna. I have to tell you, she is a hoot. And she had a great idea. And every time I think about it, to this day, it still makes me giggle. She was going to take a couple of the boards and she was going to put a little sign on them that said, "Bang head here." Oh my lordy. Anyway, have a good day. Bye.